Hey everybody, Lacey here, back with another episode of Guido's Killer Cars. Today we are opening up Matchbox. This is a 1959 Dodge Coronet police car. This one is from the MBX Countryside Edition. This is a vintage one, just so you know. This was car number 94 out of 100, and I say vintage only because it is from 2019. That is vintage in my book. It was made in Thailand. Of course, please forgive me. My voice is slowly going out because my sinuses have decided to attack. This is a really cool car. Are you ready to bust it? Let's bust it. Of course, in 2019, they don't let you in. This is a really cool old police car, and it is in great condition. It's just a little bit of paint issue right there, but I mean, it is from 2019. There is your Coronet logo. Very nice. Very cool. It's got his little wee woo light. I'm just saying. Nice badging right there on the door. I would expect a little bit of paint deterioration just because. Matchbox County Patrol. Check out those fins. Look at that. This is just a pretty little car. It's even got the little wheel covers right here. Very nice. Got the big trunk. Put all the criminals in. Because, back in 1959, I don't know if they stuck them in the back seat. Very nice. So I don't know if it is a paint. Just a little bit, not anything crazy. Again, this was on the inside, so it looks just a little bit better. Not quite so worn just from the packaging. The wheels still look good. Look at that. That is an angry car. I'm just saying. He means business. I would not speed with this bad boy around. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. That's a lot of writing. 1959 Dodge Coronet police car. Made in Thailand. There's your little elephant friend. What should we call him? I don't even know if he has a name. We should come up with a good name for him, I think. There you are. Let's see how it rolls. Being vintage and all. Oopsie. It's got a good roll tone. It's still in really good shape. So again, this is the Hot Wheels. Oh no, so sorry. This is a Matchbox 1959 Dodge Coronet police car. Gorgeous little blue color. The white looks really good. Fantastic. As always, thanks for watching Guido's Killer Cars. Please remember, hit that like, subscribe, and share button. And don't forget, leave me a comment.